ठीक है, सो मैं आप सबके सलामती हूँ. टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज टेक अप हिज क्रॉस डेली, पेज नंबर 1. Psalm 31 verse 10. For my life is thus spent with grief, and my ears with singing. My strength failed because of mine iniquity. Injustice is equal to sin, and my bones are consumed. Psalm 39 verse 11. When thou with rebukes those correct man for inquiring justice, sing that makes his beauty to consume away like a moth. Surely every man the flesh is equal to human is vanity, only temporary. Sila explanation. Psalms chapter 103 verse 13 to 18. Like as father pities his children, so the Lord pities them that fear obey him. For he knoweth our frame. He remembered that we are dust. As for man, the flesh is equal to human. His days are the grass, as a flower flies, so the flourish. For the wind passed over it, and it is gone, and the place therefore shall now it know more. But the mercy of the Lord is from everlasting to everlasting upon them that fear obey him, and his righteousness justice unto children's children, to such as keep his covenant contract, and to those that remember his commandment to do them. John chapter 14 verse 15. Jesus speaking, if you love me, keep my commandments, obey my commandment. Hebrew chapter 10 verse 26 to 31. For if we sin willfully, after that we have received the knowledge of the truth, Jesus, the words of the covenant, the Ten Commandments, there remained no more sacrifice for the sin, but a certain fearful looking for a judgment and fighting engine and anger, wrath and destruction, we shall devour the adversary he had despised. Moses died without mercy under 2 or 3 witnesses of how much sore punishment support, ye shall he be thought worldly who had robben underfoot Jesus, the Son of the God, and hath counted the blood of the covenant wherewith he was sanctified, set apart, an unholy thing, and had done despite hatred unto the Spirit of grace, mercy, and forgiveness. For we know him that said, vengeance belongeth unto me, I will recompense, repay, saith the Lord. And again, the Lord shall judge his people. It is fearful things to fall into the hands of the living God. 1 John chapter 3 verse 4. Whosoever committeth sin transgressed it. Break also the law, for sin is the transgression, breaking of the law. James chapter 1 verse 14 and 15. But every man is tempted when he is drawn away of his own lust and instinct. Then when lusted had convinced it, bring it for sin, and sin when it is finished bring for illness, death, and condemnation. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2 to 8. Looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. Faithfulness is equal to obedience, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, him that endured such condemnation of sinner against himself, lest ye be wearing the faint in your mind spirit, ye have not resistance unto blood, striving against sin, and ye son, despise not thou the chastening correct is equal to training of the Lord, nor faint when thou sorrowest, and will punish every son who he received if he endure chastening correction. God dealt with you as with son. For what son is whom the Father chastening not will not correction? But if ye be without chastisement, correction is equal to training. Therefore all are partaker, then are bastard of Satan and not son of God. Amen. Thank you for hearing the words of God. Think like Jesus, speak like Jesus, and behave like Jesus. If anybody wanna join our Bible study, contact me.